Way downtown, walking fast. I'm a seagull.
Oh.
Как делаю? Как?
Hello.
Way down right over here.
Really?
Come on. Oh.
Jeez. Louie.
Oh. Yeah, don't try that.
Come on, John, throw it. Yes, let's go. Yeah, you. Whoa! Freaking dumbass.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. You. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch around the
Jack, do you like your pup cup?
Yay, bro. Oh, yes.
Oh! Oh!
So, I got another idea.
I think you're very gorgeous, okay? But I think no.
I don't know what that is. Oh my god! I caught you! Absolutely no!
Oh!
Куда забрался? Это что?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold him.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
Be gentle.
Oh, lovely. Do you want some? Otto?
That's my boy. No, my boy!
Father, help!
Here, you can have this chip. Oh, well, I guess peppermint.
What I mean when I say it's terrifying when my dog opens a door.
Oh my god, that is horrifying. Holy frick. Whoa.
She's still asleep.
Beep, beep. I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep. I'm a sheep.
All right, show us how you go down the stairs. What?
Someone left the door open, and a ground squirrel came inside the house.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
You were naughty. Go.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Okay, find it. Oh wow. Oh wow. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Yeah, it was a good time. Then we just woke up and we were like, oh, we have to be ready in an hour. Shit.
Lola niya pagod na.
What is that? Looks weird. Be careful and don't trust this. Whoa! Oh my god, it just moved, didn't it? Holy shit, what was that? Man, what the hell?
Teaching my human English.
I love you. Hey, my little birdie. Hey, my little birdie. Hey, my baby bird.
You're done.
Daisy. Oh.
Have some vape, bruh. I don't really want to grab that back. Jesus!
Do it again. Who was it? Don't.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hey, you're so cute, little man. Oh my god, the puddles you're making.
Who's that? Oh, look at it. Look. That's quite cool.
Miss, you want your makeup done? Oh, so pretty.
Breakfast. Okay, I'll move him. I'll move him.
Look.
Handsome. Put him in. What are you doing? Brick. Buddy.
I need to put this duck on you, okay?
Let's go outside for pee. Peaches, you have to go outside for pee. Peaches, you have to go outside. Come here, we're in the bathroom.
You're getting a spa day. You gotta make sure you're looking your best always for your people, for your friends, for your neighbors.
Thumbelina, it's coconut oil. What's wrong with you? Thumbelina, you can't eat coconut oil. Why would you even want it? No!
Oh.
I'm telling you. Huh.
Hey, Tim, that's my celery, so I'm just gonna get that back.
I don't think so. Let me get the mutton.
You my pillow. Hey.
Baby? Baby! Oh my god, you nut! Come here, you freak! Jesus Christ. Oh my god, what the
Started like charging towards me. Whoa.